chairman, Dr. Betty Gikonyo. We shall also have our CEO.
We are proudly always achieving 100% success rate in both national and TVET examinations. This year, we celebrate the first ever graduating class of the Community Heart Health Promoters, pioneers in their field. And beyond our borders, our alumni continue to make us proud, serving in the US, in UK, and as you've heard, also in Germany. And this really goes to show that it's a true testament of the excellence that is given here at the Karen Hospital Training College, and it knows no boundaries. It'll go to other places in Kenya, but also across the borders. It is our commitment to preparing our students for a world where healthcare and technology are inseparable. To our dear graduates, as you step into the professional world, remember that your skills are more than a career, they are a calling. The patients you will serve may not remember your grades, but they will always remember your compassion, your kindness, and your commitment to healing.
We also have artificial intelligence, which via twin digital platforms enables realistic virtual replicas of patients to simulate disease progression and also train decision making, thus reducing the need for real patient exposure. Technology has provided us with very important tools that incorporate multilingual for globalized and inclusive training.